Hey guys, Cabal901 here. I just want to do some testing. I've been doing this like for the past hour, trying to get like this sound and everything to coexist peacefully in the world of my recording. Because if I get them to coexist peacefully, I could become the best LPer ever, and that would just be marvelous. Because in my album videos, you can't hear the sound, you can only hear me like blabbing. So I've been testing out a bunch of crap. I think I got it. I think I got this.
Ready for battle.
So we're gonna test this with some serious freaking sand. I like how I get hit by the first monster in the game. That's just amazing. And I'm getting killed by the first monster in the game. Just getting killed by those monsters. This is good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, shit. Can't have dudes hurting me. It's secret ammo. Oh,
yeah, baby.
Look at that. That's a shotgun to the face. That's a shotgun to the face. That's dual wielding revolvers. That's a dead gnar.
Yeah, it's all fun and games until somebody loses an eye.
I know, right? Just losing an eye, it's a terrible thing. This is the first serious Sam ambush in this game. You're dead. You're dead. Hey, you. I don't like you. You're dead too. Those are the clears. They're skeleton dudes, and they're quite annoying, actually. Is the next level. Giving me shotgun shells and all that good stuff. All these dudes are dying.
Yourself.
Boom! Screaming kamikazes up in here. You're dead. So, yeah. You're dead too? So are you. I just noticed I have 69 HP. I'm so funny. I think I'm about to stop the recording. Bam, you're dead.
I'm over here. You stupid headless freaks.
All the dialogue in the game. So good. So good. Holy Jesus, that's a boulder. And it still hurt me. What the fuck is this? I'm gonna go in here and kill some dudes. Holy Jesus.
Shoot.
Those are the frogs. They're my favorite monster. I didn't want to fall down there. It wasn't my... It was not the plan. getting the secret armor, however. That was my plan. I got here on the hardest or serious difficulty in this game, and I couldn't like beat it. There's like so many dudes. Yeah, I think I'm about done recording.